Some food party then.
You must know.
Put in the fridge until the mind change. Obviously, man, not change.
You must know.
Abbi, you have people can say. That's all I can tell you. I'm going to my party. You want a juice or not? Because I don't know if I want a juice. You know?
If you want a juice, then take the juice.
You don't want a juice. You happy now?
No, I'm not right about it.
You don't want a juice?
Vlogmas!
Day 13.
Hit the like button if you know your heart clean.
See? My heart clean.
My one clean too.
What's up, AC gang? Guys, that's Abbi. She just wake up. Me and I just wake up. Did I talk to her pitney and early morning people? Watch her. First thing she do, was she go brush her teeth and wash her face. She have dog. I talk to her, tell him story like you understand what I'm going. But now watch her still. If you know the page, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, guys. Today will be a busy day. We have a whole heap of things we go do. First thing I go do, I go up on the road. I go collect one package for Abbi. But we have more than one thing for collecting, guys. Then I go up and down, go buy some other stuff. And them something there. So today feel like it I go pack up a bit of things to do. So guys, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Also, subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. You see it? Subscribe to the channel there. Go back to Abbi's Madness.
Oh, good girl.
And go subscribe. Watch the dog, man. Hey boy. And guys, please subscribe to Capo's TV as well. Yeah, man. Subscribe to Capo's TV. And also follow up on Instagram down below. Yeah. Follow up on Instagram, guys. Is it? I got beard now, brush my teeth now, and get fresh, fix up my ear, so we can go up on the road.
I can't stay and take up and do.
Oh, we're not gonna do now. Oh, I'm gonna beard now. Make sure. I beard first, cause when shit, people when shit. No. Cause one nigga bathroom go do if anything. Cause I can't afford for your.
So stop buying my titty.
Oh, so we are trying to. We make the same. So I make you buy titty, yeah. Dog will hurt you. Stop do that. Yo, Lord, stay alone. I talk to you now. Anyway, guys, so I get ready now and things, so I'm soon back.
So with him answer, when him come, I can tell him say, I'm not about to want nothing.
Hello?
Capo,
Yeah?
remember for buy the patty and cocoa bread for me?
You want chicken cheese patty?
Da?
Oh, alright.
Mm.
You want a juice though?
One box drink.
Alright.
What's the AC, girl? Oh, the good girl. They are right there. So, guys, keep a gap on the road with my sister for a man. And I'm good girl there. They are doing go fixing up the room. So, you know, I mean, I like dirty room. So, sometimes, me lie down in it. But and every time, good girl like it. So, guys, I just call dirty cap and tell them, say, for buy me a cocoa bread and patty. Yeah, good girl love patty, you know, good girl love a cheese patty. Yeah, so. But what I say I gonna do is when time come with the food, I gonna tell them say I want food, them take too long and so. And they say this on YouTube, you know, but guys, I never really watch one video to see exactly what them do, whatever. Basically, I just say the title, tell them my boyfriend I want food, and then tell him that I don't want no food no more. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I tell the dirty boys I want food, and I'm gonna say dirty cap, I don't want your food, I don't want none from you. Yeah, but I can watch a video right now. I get an idea. I'm so coming. Yeah, just right down the road in this. So guys, make sure to spam in the comment section with Team Abbi. I want some dirty boy when I'm Capo. I want some nasty boy when I'm Capo. Yeah, guys, come here, say. I feel like I fling a plank in that vlog. Yeah, instead, I think so. We are going to do vlog and say that we don't show. We really going to do it. So good girl says she can fling in a plank. Go right show. Yeah. So what I do? I go look out for him. I'm going to write to some people. So I go look out for him. Friend, you know. So I go look out for him, guys. I'm going to set up that time and just look out for him. Yeah, right show. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So come with me. Come with good girl.
Alright, guys, so, man. You know who the on the road right now. I go back home now still because we done everything actually early. Collect me and collect and things, so I go back home now. Go look for Abbi and see what she going. She just call me.
Drunk room, make the people see me.
Why you want them people see you? You don't look good today.
Anytime you notice, anytime
but you don't look good today.
I'm having ear and all of that. You don't fucking want video me.
Anyways, so guys, I go back home now. Abbi just call me about buy patty for and buy it already. Patty and orange juice, and I go back up now. I look more, I just link on now, I reach back up at the yard.
Guys, literally about an hour now since I call Capo and I know Capo can reach and Capo tell me the same stories. So you know, say, this is gonna be a good thing because I'm gonna tell him say take too long, but I don't want nothing. Yeah, guys, you know, I'm there, I don't eat for morning, guys, more than water and toothpaste, and that's when I brush my teeth. Yes. So the dirty boy tell me say him so come and I know him can't read, so therefore no I actually have an excuse. So I say dirty cap, I don't want the food, I don't want the food. And guys, if you're new to the channel like you, I call him dirty and nasty cap. That are just the slang, that are just the style, that are just how we roll with each other. You know, don't take it personal because some people come on this and act like say them want come, you know, but don't take it personal, just so we deal with each other. Yeah, him never problem with it. Yeah, just yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm there home, I feel like I want to eat something, but I don't want to full up my belly of things and when I'm actually come with the food, you know. You guys just stay tuned, man. Them time a good girl, I go on extra bad pan him. Because you know when time a Jamaican woman hungry and so, people stay tuned.
And everything I feel still, but you can't feel that when I hear one. It must be 5 pounds at least. And then this now I don't know what it is, but hopefully someone can use it to make a video with that or something.
I tripod then.
A tripod in that? So what is damn sitting them now we need?
That's something.
The boy the thing you film man. Because I can't get close this enough. And this type of Amazon thing, I know. Alright,
This something. But man, this every door man. No one that.
so you have to like it. It's not the lucky one. That's the one. But we can't
This
eat
is
that.
the tripod I find supposed to in
What understand?
my mama tell you some of the get some of them the defective.
You can send back that, send back there?
Send back this.
Oh yeah, man, that's it.
This is the one I saw.
Come on now.
Yeah, I tripod. Right, them look like them sell me for. How much this?
You can't go on, man.
Oh.
Well, yeah, I think so. I want to bag, you know.
Yeah.
But if I be a phone, I go down and buy now. I don't think I will buy it myself. Well, the bathroom, basically. Until I go in the carrot and then I care back up here. You see me?
It's in bad one, but
Better go.
it takes too long and for.
I want to have money.
No, I don't want it.
What?
That's my even better feel for one anyway.
What do you mean about the party?
It takes so long, come like I said, alright, come like gas, my food up.
What? Gas?
Yeah.
What you from a gun?
Nothing.
So if you need nothing.
I pay it take too long, so I don't feel for no more. I don't really call it some feel, I don't feel for
Do you want to juice then?
no. I don't want it no.
So you think so we can do it, but I mean, you don't want it now, why you don't want it? What do you mean?
No, put me now, put it there with someone.
Why do? Why you want to party? What's up in the microwave?
No, I don't feel no more.
Why?
I pay it take too long.
You figure it take too
And
long?
why them send this
No,
me
you
now?
don't need the party now.
Until them send this without tap.
Don't need the party, my girl. You have to
Yeah,
take
me
too
never
long.
want no, me never
Why you don't want the party? Let me ask you.
They come and call like, you call about almost 2 hours ago.
I'm going to call you about an hour ago.
Me
You
call
come back.
are you call me?
We call
But
you.
still,
I
you
come
tell me
back.
say you come up now and then I sit down in there and wait for all that.
What is this?
I'm gonna feel that. Me not feel for no food no.
My friend, you can't have food out. What do you mean nothing to party? I give somebody to need it then.
Whatever you want, no, you can go.
So how you buy the party and the party? I don't understand. Yeah.
That's just all.
Why you want the party, Abbi? Why you want the party?
If it take too long, I'm just not feel no more.
Oh, you don't feel for something right now. Where you from again?
Nothing. You know, I'm there, I will feel the feeling
Now I'm
that.
supposed to have no food in that metal there. Now I'm supposed to have no food. Backside. If you tell me you want them to do. You
Then I must move out of cream then. Then I must.
yeah, Papa show.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure. They tell me say soup come with look of
If you
food.
carry the food come and you
And
don't
then
want
there all along the way, the feeling that I'm not really hungry like that.
oh, if you're not hungry then from morning. You drink tea, but you should get a good tea alone and get from morning. You didn't tell me give?
Oh yeah, I'm drinking good tea. I didn't even drink all like I sweetness.
Yeah, friend, you talk right from my mother. We can't understand your baby. Come on, I know what you're doing. You don't get to put that. But it's all around the upper back now, you know. That's all it's wrong.
Yeah, but I'm still not feel feet now.
Why?
I'm not feel feet again.
Mommy.
Yeah, but you never feel for someone, you don't feel no more. That reach me. Lord Jesus, my crucify me.
Yeah, I didn't know.
But I just got about almost 2 hours ago, say I come. I mean, I prepare myself, book. I don't feel fit again, I complain. Maybe me feel later, I don't feel now.
Abbi move the after again, I think, too much time. I don't understand if you know what the party, I just say party for a while ago. The party is still warm. Yo, you know, you know my party now, come you know what I do, simple as that. Come here, you listen, because me and you from man, you know.
So what have
I'm not sure, actually, send me a
if
phone.
you say you never leave pieces there first place.
What do you mean?
I say I'm going to drink my juice.
If you say no one, then for do.
No, you the party then, to be the party then, so bring
Yeah, but
it
man,
to,
but everybody own, no.
Give it to.
My party must never go eat together, you know what party? Some more
She
food.
try to say that it's verbal. I see you quick, yeah, oh, you're going to drink the juice, go drink the juice.
If you have beef, say nobody
No,
want it.
I mean that.
You nobody want it, don't food, make it spoiled. Backside. You know what it is, me? My boy party for you, when you line and lamp turn up here. No them party in the lamp tree.
Yeah.
Man, I'm going to let on the road. Carry me. You know
Yeah,
what
nobody never send you out in the road.
you send you to go buy party about damn
I can't drive it.
And if I cross the road, the car can't park.
But you never can't go in
You
there.
cannot go in there.
So you make yourself get little, because I'm not my teacher of across the road. I taught you.
Yeah, yourself? I must want Papa show this to you. What you do about it? Tell you no.
I don't want it no more.
You don't want it no more? That means you want it to look more neither?
I do not want it no more.
At 12 o'clock now, you want it to check like that?
I don't want it no more. It takes too long. Plus, I don't feel fit no more.
Some for the party then.
You must know.
Put that fridge until the mind change. Obviously, man, not change.
You must know.
Abbi, you have people can say. That's all I can tell you. I'm going to my party. You want a juice or not? Because I don't know if I want a juice. You know?
If you want the juice, then take the juice.
You don't want a juice. You happy now?
No, I'm not right about it.
You don't want a juice? Yes, God, you get me one. Why am I putting there, sir? I'm putting there, sir. I'm shooting over the juice and there, sir. Eh? You know, a juice that's fine by me. Backside, yo. Somebody around them feel, but not around them feel, yo. But they want to take off some weight, too. Might as well name certain party. Come see me. Backside.
Where you go, my son? Bring my son in here.
You lift my power,
Pull up.
yeah, lift my pants.
Can't have my son in here.
Nah, can't nobody. The man don't want to stay there because this is what. Why you want the food? What the food here?
But you come almost 2 hours ago. Tell me say you're coming now. You're coming now. Tell me
Yeah,
say
but
you're
you
coming
should have
now.
hungry and want the food more now.
So therefore,
You should have hungry now.
Gas step me up and
You should
therefore
have
I
hungry
taste for
now.
everything. I
You
just
should have
don't feel
hungry
fit no more.
now.
I don't feel
What you
fit
drink
no
from
more.
now? All of them go tea. I don't want that then food she wants. Liquor, like you're a junkie. You want juice?
Yeah, but if you want the juice, then take the juice.
You want the juice?
If you want the juice, then take the juice.
You want the juice? You want the juice? No more if you want the juice, you know.
If you want the juice, then take the juice. Because I don't feel for anything.
I'm going to buy a party.
Anymore.
Buy a juice, more buy one juice. So if you don't want it, you know me.
Yeah, you
tell
never
it
will
now.
give me none from. Boom,
Where are they box up? It's building up on this now. Hello, what you do, man? Get up, man. Where I can't say that come. I don't know about it. The cup on the back of this stuff. Come here.
Just come on.
Come here. Why not the food, Abbi?
I'm going to take too long, plus I just not feel no more. Excuse me.
Why?
Jesus, remember I explain myself again, but just say you take too long, I don't feel
Why
no
not?
more.
Yo.
I can't explain how my body work.
Everything good still. Tell me for this party now.
No, it's what, if you want party, you take the party. If you want juice, you take the juice.
Yo, if you go in there for somebody, I'm going to know. So man, they just keep in their room, safe beside you. I don't mind, I never know. And if one of just trying to anyway. Like, you know, you're not dead, little girl. You see, you're not dead. You're going party. You know, I want to party for you too.
Just you buy this in my alone.
Alright, everything good. Everything good, yeah?
Guys, I'm gone in the living room, you know. People can't hold it out no more. Good girl hungry, people want to know when they come out to be have food. Good girl can't do it. So, I'm gone in the living room, I'm actually forgot to film back in. And it's so afternoon. But me, I wait for him to come back in now. People good girl could hold on. I'm glad him come back. I'm glad him come. I'm come back. I'm come back.
Yeah.
Come.
That's your friend. So we don't
Hey,
want.
boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
The party and come back. Better share proof.
That's your friend. So we don't want the food. We'll come out. Give me. I just step out to go feel.
Come here, Carrie's going to get you now.
I'm going to buy this baby. I'm hungry.
So I want to promise you now the food. What is this about today?
Yeah, but I'm hungry, man. I could hold
You
on.
put that cocoa bread.
That guy's going to sell this right now, right now.
You put that cocoa bread now.
Party, no party.
No, I'm telling you. The cane, the cane.
Yeah, man. I'm saying, hold on. Tell me that you're not there.
You're full. Now go back now, though.
Yeah.
Then I go buy some more things. Hopefully come back before you eat later.
That's why I'm good for just cleaning up front. Look. And I go back again.
I'm hungry now, guys. I left the phone on the car. And the back vlog when I reach back in the house, people. And I tell me I give her food, Abbi don't want the food. Abbi try to prank me. But she not. Me never did that work. So Abbi love food. Me I say, Abbi don't want the party.
Well, they start talking about you eat it. It's not friendly up. It's not friendly up.
Guys, I don't know I'm to Abbi, but she try to start. She say she, after I spend my good money, you know, guys, and buy party for her, she got to talk about she nobody want it. No must me, I have to eat that myself. I'm to her. Anyway, people, I go on the road again. I'll eat some other stuff. So, the vlogmas. Abbi said we are going to end the vlog early today so we can up and edit it today.
Yeah.
And post it for no. Yeah, we are post too late from Monday. That's about 9 o'clock, 8:30 now. That's why I post early today, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed. Whatever she touch a try, prank we say. Bumba, more pelch. Damn! Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Abbi. Yeah, guys, so make sure if you're new to the page, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, then select all. So anytime I post a video, you get notified same time. I still not help channel grow, is it? So please do that. Also check out our comedy channel and go subscribe to it, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Yeah.
Racho.
We have some wicked video over there, is it? You just go over there and watch the video them. I'm gonna tell you now, you have to enjoy them. You see me? Check out Abbi's Madness. Why choke? Check out Abbi's Madness, people. Go over there and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to your boy, Capo's TV. You know. Abbi now give me forward now. It's like a big
channel. Your boy Capo's TV.
No.
So why you tell like you say subscribe?
Oh, alright. Subscribe to Capo's TV. Yeah, man. You're on the screen right there, so go subscribe to it. You see, guys. Thanks for support so far. Vlogmas are going. We're in the middle of Vlogmas now. We are also end stronger and stronger and stronger. You see that until December 25. I'll be sending the king along, so you know. Jesus Christ. Yeah, guys. What more you want to talk about? We talk to them. Big up.
Like that. Big up.
Big up on it.
Big up on now.
Wow. Man, not herb, man, not tired. Herb. Man, herb, me come, hurry up, Abbi. People don't know as full of funny and so long. But anyway, guys, Abbi try to say big up on yourself and thanks for the support. And just go, follow up on Instagram. Yeah. Follow up on Instagram. No, go follow no up on Instagram. Is it? Go over there, go follow it. Yeah, guys. I don't know. Look forward to tomorrow vlog. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I think I eat this.
Eat this. Abbi go feed her face and go on the road now. So you don't know, AC Gang is out.